Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma'am. This is Vinit Chimon from PIBM, pursuing PGDM from Core Finance. I am glad to say that I am working as an intern in Collabgenics. I am working as an equity research analyst. First of all, I want to thank to Collabgenics and Sandeep Shetty, sir, for electing me to as an intern in Collabgenics. And then I want to thanks to Sandeep Shetty sir and inSAKE to give us the certifications and give free academic course certifications, as Sandeep sir has given us the certifications as in free as in by the Collabgenics and with the inSAKE academic, and with the help of them we have completed our certification course, and that cost was also so costly. So I first want to thank them, Sandeep Shetty sir. And then about the internship, I want to say it was a great experience about internship. It was an memorable that they have given us first to complete our certification. We have been got 8 certification of personal skill, education, then communication, personal development, then of how to trade, how to sell and buy the stocks, how to look the charts of that. We have been got an overall view. In that after that we have been given a live project. In live project also we have been given a 20 companies. We have to do analysis about that 20 companies. In that 20 companies, how we have to look about that company and give the overview of that companies, that what company is doing and what future of company will be. The main task of that in live project was about the takeaways of that was added in the live project of that Google form. Mainly when we have been told, and I came to learn that how to calculate ROC, ROE, then debt equities, and about fundamentals, how to look, then how to look PE ratio, how to do SWOT analysis of companies. We have to do peer comparison, then we have to give a statement of that how this company is different from another company. Then another, we have to give the final words to the company, that how the company will perform in future. So it was very I will say that it was very great, that as we was feeling that we are having an analyst, as how do analyst proper analyst works do, as that way we are being given here the opportunity and roles. So I want to thank Sandeep Shetty sir and our mentor as an Sneha ma'am. So we would like to say thank you to her also, because her role was also very important. She has guided us and helped in all the formats where we were facing difficulties. And main thing about that fun activity of Friday, it was an extremely great, because of that fun activity we had came to know many more things, that what this as our friend colleagues have been prepared. So thank you. So this was all my takeaway and great learnings from SIP. So thank you, sir.